Today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can sign up on Weidian.com. Okay, of course, you must have been hearing about Weidian app. What is Weidian app all about, and how do you go about it? What are the things that you are likely to purchase on this app? Okay, so let me quickly give you a quick review or a quick summary about Weidian. Weidian is just like an e-commerce app, just like our regular 168 app, Ziyun app, Pinduoduo apps, Taobao app. But when it comes to Weidian, you can shop basically new items on this platform. You can also buy used items from this platform. And when we look at Weidian, we also have different sorts of categories on these apps. You can meet with retailers on this app. You can also meet with wholesalers on this app, and you can also buy your electric items, your gadget related items, your Nike item, sports item, hoodies, shoes, and all sorts of things on these apps. Okay, and we have varieties of, when it comes to the sign up options, we have different varieties of signing up on this platform. You can either use your phone number to sign up. You can either use Taobao to sign up, which is what I'm still going to be doing practically in this tutorial. This is just to give you a quick overview about this app and how you can also go about signing up. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can sign up on your mobile app and also how you can download the app. That makes it two-in-one tutorial. The first is how you can download the app. The second is how you can sign up, because we have different sign up methods. If you want to use your PC, we have different sign up method for PC. And also if you want to use your mobile phone, we also have different method when it comes to iPhone or your Android devices. Okay, so if you want me to record in this tutorial, what I'm going to be doing is to use my iPhone, which is my mobile device, to record the sign up process and how you can download this video. And I'm going to, after this video now, I'm going to be creating a playlist for this Weidian, because I'm not going to be stopping here. Okay, this video will be a playlist which is going to be involving how you can download and sign up, how you can get your warehouse address, that's how you can get it down to your country. That is what we mean by warehouse address. And also we are going to be looking at how you can shop successfully, the available payment method you can use, how you can chat with suppliers, what are the questions you need to ask from these suppliers so they don't scam you. Okay, and I've also recorded a video on how you can also, on the platform that you can use to get used gadgets from, which are Ziyun. I've also created a playlist on Ziyun as well, so you can do what to check the description button of this tutorial. I've created a playlist. You can go there, look for, watch these tutorials and get your mobile devices from there, both used devices. They sell basically the same thing with this Weidian, but just little differences. But the best thing I love about this Weidian is just that they don't do a real name authentication, unlike Ziyun. Ziyun offer real name authentication, and on this platform you don't need a real name authentication. Once you're done signing up, you can just start buying directly. Okay, so we are also available for procurement. If you want us to help you handle your procurement, your shipping services, and if you also want us to help you create an account and give you the login details directly, these are services we render. Okay, without further ado, let's go and download our Weidian app and also sign up on this platform. See you on the other side of the tutorial.